Dear Mama, advance happy birthday. I know we aren't doing anything big today and maybe that's okay because what I want to say to you doesn't need a crowd or decorations to matter. I've been thinking about all the years we've shared and there's so much I've never fully put into words. You were the first place I saw when I came into this world. And ever since then, you've been my constant. I remember when I was little, how you'd stay up late just to make sure my school uniform was perfect, even though you were tired from work. I remember how you'd pretend to like my terrible cooking when I was learning to make meals just to encourage me. I remember the way you'd hold my hand tight whenever I was scared or nervous, and how your
Ginago. Gina.
Ever your voice could calm me down no matter what was wrong. You've carried so much in your shoulders, taking care of our family, making sure we had everything we needed. And always putting me first even when you deserve to put yourself first too. You've taught me what real strength looks like, not the kind that shouts, but the kind that quietly preserves. Through hard times, it still finds a way to love and give. You've shown me how to be kind even when people aren't kind back. How to work hard without expecting anything in return. And how to find joy in the simplest moments, like sharing a cup of coffee together or just sitting quietly side by side. You're more than just my mom. You're my confidant, my role model, and my safe place to land when life gets rough. Even when I make mistakes, you never make me feel less than. You just help me to get back up and try again. Your love has shaped me in ways I'm still discovering, and I know I wouldn't be who I am today without you. On your birthday, I want you to know that all you've done for me and our family hasn't gone unnoticed or unappreciated. I hope you take time for yourself today. Do something you love, even if it's just reading a book or watching your favorite show. You deserve all the happiness in the world, Mama. I love you more than words can say, and I'm so grateful that you're my mom. Happy birthday, Ma. You're not just my mom, but as the amazing woman you are.
Aww.